by far the smallest one of all three. Okay, swimming right on the bottom. See him down there? Swim through it?
No. Oh, yeah.
What is it, Jay?
Shark.
Really?
Oh, yeah.
Oh gosh. The real thing.
Hey, why don't you stand up, take a look
No,
at
I can't stand there.
No.
Can you? Oh, you have the...
See him?
Whoa, take a look at this thing, Joe. You can stand up.
No, no, it's okay.
No, hold on to it.
You get a chance to see him because we don't know what else is going to happen next. At least you can see him.
Uh-huh. That's right. It's okay.
Yeah, I know, just the head.
That little tackle's getting tested, ain't it?
Yeah.
It's only about 20-pound tackle. It's getting tested on that fish.
No.
Here we go.
There it
It's got a
comes.
remora on the side of him even. Here it comes up.
There it comes.
Yeah.
Holy macaroni. Wow. Oh, wow.
Wow.
That's a real shark.
No, it's not. Tim just does this.
Okay, guys, just a second. I'm gonna try to get everything.
There he is.
Oh my gosh! Oh, gee.
He's good. They got a picture. We're good. Nice job,
Oh,
Captain.
wow.
Nice job.
Look at that thing.
That'd be a bull.
Wow.
That was the smallest of the group.
Oh, yeah. He was
Can
the
you-
smallest one of all three of them.
I think.
That D-hook or Jay, I think it's on the other side where those other rods are with the handle.
Yeah. This?
This thing here.
All right, hold the rod just in
Got it.
case it slips out of my hand. We'll try to bring him back here for a better picture.
Oh, it's all right.
Okay, hold it.
Careful. I got him. Speaker with you. Don't worry about
Oh, yeah.
the picture,
All right.
kiddo.
Yeah, really don't. I got a wonderful picture here. Really, don't.
You want to put him on the boat with us?
No, that's good.
Get
That's
up here on
really
the
good.
edge. Get up here on the edge.
Wow. Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to let him go.
Let it go.
Bye.
Let it go.
Bye, everybody. Thank you for playing.
Thank you.
Thank you, Captain Tim.
Wow.
The
Yay,
inlet.
everybody.
Thank you for letting us come to the inlet.
Yeah.
Wow.
You guys did very good.